Alright, we're back with another video. This time I'm unboxing the Work Pro. I guess what they call it, Work Pro, workprotools.com. Not a sponsored video or nothing like that. Just showing y'all a couple of tools that, you know, I'm trying to get my inventory together so I can start doing the job the correct way. It's not that I didn't know what I needed at first. I just didn't really want to go out the way to order something I didn't really need as much. But I came to find out that I do need it more than I think I needed. So then it would be times where I wouldn't even do install jobs for people because I didn't have all the right stuff to do it. And it's like I say, it's not that I didn't know what I needed. It's just I don't want to do the job unless I can do it the right way and make it look good at the same time. So what I got here is kind of Work Pro tools or whatnot. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this unboxed. Got the little manual right here. I guess it got may have some different tools. Let me get it open. Yeah, just showing a couple of different tools and knives and things like this. So I guess they got some power tools as well, so y'all can see. All right, I'm gonna set that to the side. Got a nice little package here. Set that back here. Comes a nice package here. This is the ratcheting crimper. They do have it oiled up, as you can see right there, like some little oil on it. But you know, I'm gonna show y'all how it goes. We got a nice grip on it as well. This is the square, not the hexagon. See, like once you close it, let's see how I did it. Oh. But anyway, you put your, I'll show y'all how to do it in just a second. Let me get the wire out. Y'all can see there. I don't know how many colors this come in, but this is a nice, it does feel good in the hand or whatnot. So we're gonna go ahead and get the next one out. Well, I forgot to show y'all this. Just realized this. All right, you push it down. When you want to close it up, it's like a little deal here. You push it up and you can close it. Hold on, wait a minute. I just did it just a second ago. This is my first time using it, so I ain't gonna act like I know. I don't. Yeah, but anyway, I just did it just a second ago. It's a way you can close this and it'll stay closed some kind of way. But anyway, like I said, it'll take me a little more getting used to it or whatnot. This came with 800 pieces. Let me show y'all that. It's got 25. Well, I'll be able to tell you the size once I get it over. It should have the size in the top. Most of the time when you get these kits, it's kind of like a little plastic box like this. They have the sizes on the top. See, you got your 10 gauge yellow, you get 25, and the red 8 gauge you get 25, and then the 12 gauge you get 50, and the 14 you get 100, and 16 150, and the 18 you get 150 as well, and the gray you get 150. Gray 20 gauge you get 150, and a 22 gauge you get white, and white you get 150 as well. And y'all can see right there what I'm gonna do. See, I don't want these all over the place, so what I'm probably gonna have to end up doing is, what I'll probably do, I'm trying to show y'all up close a little bit. What I'll probably end up doing here is putting these in Ziploc bags and putting them in the tool cart I got outside. So that way I'll be able to keep up with them, because I know most of the time these little boxes right here, I've had bad luck with them. They usually end up coming apart just like that, some kind of way you won't notice it. Then you pick it up and they'll just spill out everywhere. So and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put these in little bags and label them. That way I know exactly what I got. So that'll be easy to keep up with. And it doesn't require a real big bag either, so that'll be great. But it is a way for you to make this stay closed. I can't remember what it was, what I just did. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. But y'all let me know down below if y'all use like I said, I should have a hexagon one coming in soon. This is just a square one. Well, let me show y'all how it goes. I'm not gonna use it, but I'll just show y'all right off how you use it. I'm not gonna use it right now. Say that. And you see, you put your wire in on the yellow end right there. Then what you'll do, you'll take that, put it in there, then you'll crimp it down like that, and then it'll make a square. Or if you got the hexagon, it'll be a hexagon. And that's what it'll make. And then your wire will be stuck in. If you want to put some heat shrink over it, you can. But yeah, that's pretty much how I plan on using this thing. But y'all, we'll make a couple new videos later on showing me actually using it. So y'all stay tuned. Be sure to like, subscribe, use the links down below, and comment down below. Let me know.